Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video I am telling you alkyne and its first member, that is ethine or acetylene, its method of preparation, its physical properties, its chemical properties, its usage. So we will study it one by one. First question is, what is alkyne? Unsaturated hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by triple bond is called alkyne. General formula of alkyne is CnH2n-2. First member of alkyne is ethine or acetylene. Now dear student, in this video we will study about ethine, or ethine is IUPAC name, its common name is acetylene. It is discovered by brilliant scientist Wilson. So look here, acetylene or ethine. Its molecular formula is C2H2. Its structure carbon, number of carbon are 2, 1 carbon, 2 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is CH. 1, 2, 3, or this is 4. Okay students, now I am telling you method of preparation of ethine. Lab method. First is laboratory method. Laboratory method of preparation of laboratory method. In laboratory, acetylene or ethine is prepared when calcium carbide react with water. I am telling you again, calcium carbide react with water to form ethine or acetylene. Calcium carbide, this is calcium carbide, react with water to form C2H2, ethine, C2H2. Ethine is IUPAC name. Its common name is acetylene. Acetylene plus calcium hydroxide CaOH का whole twice. Here number of oxygen 2, so we have to take here 2. Again listen to me dear student. Laboratory method. Calcium carbide react with water to form acetylene, common name, or ethine, IUPAC name. Second method of preparation. Second method of preparation is 1,2 dibromoethane is boiled with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. Then ethine is formed. Listen to me again. 1,2 dibromoethane means formula is CH2Br bond CH2Br is boiled with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. Then ethine is formed. Look here. Acetylene dibromide. 1,2 dibromoethane CH2 Br bond CH2Br react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. Alcoholic. Then we get CH triple bond CH. This is acetylene or ethine. 2K and 2Br combined to form 2KBr plus 2 oxygen means we get 2 water. So this is acetylene or ethine. 1,2 dibromoethane. When 1,2 dibromoethane is boiled with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution, then ethine, IUPAC name, or acetylene, common name, is formed. Acetylene or ethine is discovered by Wilson. Now student, we will study about physical properties of ethine. So look here. Physical properties of ethine. Physical properties. Physical property number 1 is acetylene is colorless gas. Acetylene is a colorless gas. So first is it is a colorless gas. Colorless gas. It is a colorless gas with an ether-like odor. With an ether-like odor. It is a colorless gas. It is a colorless gas with ether-like odor when pure. When pure means when it is in pure form. Second point is it is negligible soluble in water but highly soluble in organic compound. It is negligible soluble in water but highly soluble in water but highly soluble in organic compounds. Organic compounds. Organic compounds are acetone, alcohol. Acetone, formula of acetone is CH3, COCH3. Alcohol, formula of alcohol is ROH. Third point, it liquefies minus 84 degrees Celsius. It liquefies minus 84 degrees Celsius. Fourth point, its boiling point is minus 75 degrees Celsius. And fifth point, it lighter than air. It is lighter than air. Okay, student, clear? I hope that you can understand all the point in this lecture. Now I am telling you chemical properties of acetylene or ethine. Chemical properties of acetylene or ethine are: chemical property number 1, combustion or burning. Acetylene, number 1 is combustion. Combustion means burning. Combustion means burning. This is acetylene C2H2 and this is oxygen. Burn in air to form carbon dioxide, water, heat, and after this light. Look here, acetylene. Acetylene formula is C2H2. Now we have to balance this reaction. We have to take 2, 5. 5 2 ja 10. So we have to take here 2 2 ja 4 means 4 CO2 and 2 2 ja 4 hydrogen. So we have to take here 2 2 ja 4. Acetylene burn in air. Acetylene burn in air to form carbon dioxide, water, heat, light. Next is addition reaction. Second point is addition reaction. In case of addition reaction, first is addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. Look here, this is acetylene. Now add hydrogen. When we add hydrogen in acetylene, look here, add hydrogen in acetylene, C2H2 plus H2, we get C2H4. This is ethene. Now ethene, C2H4 plus hydrogen, we get C2H6. This reaction takes place in presence of nickel catalyst. Nickel catalyst. Okay, student. Addition of, plus means addition. Addition of hydrogen to ethene. Addition of hydrogen to acetylene to give ethene. Addition of hydrogen to ethene give ethane. Next is addition of halogen. Second point is addition of halogen. Halogen, first we take chlorine. Look here, this is acetylene and addition of chlorine to acetylene give acetylene dichloride. Acetylene dichloride, CHCl double bond CHCl. Again acetylene dichloride, addition of chlorine to acetylene dichloride. One Cl attach here, one Cl attach here. We get CHCl2, CHCl2. This is acetylene tetrachloride. Okay, students. Next is bromine. Addition of bromine. So next point is addition of bromine. Third point. Point number 3 is addition of bromine. So addition of bromine gives acetylene dibromide. Here we can take Br. In the place of Cl we can take Br. So addition of bromine, we can write it in this way. In the place of Cl we have to take Br. So we can say addition of bromine to acetylene give acetylene dibromide. Addition of bromine to acetylene dibromide give acetylene tetrabromide. Or we can say 1, 1 dibromoethene, 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrabromoethane. Okay, students. Next is, or we can say acetylene tetrabromide. Acetylene tetrabromide. Next, addition of iodine. This is acetylene. Next is addition of iodine. So we can write fourth point, addition of iodine. Addition of iodine. Addition of iodine we can write in this way. Look here. Addition of iodine. Iodine, formula of iodine is I2. One I attach here, one I attach here. CHI double bond CHI. So look here, dear students. Addition of iodine. Addition of iodine. Iodine react with slowly ethyne in presence of alcohol to form diiodo, to form 1, 2 diiodoethane. 1, 2 diiodoethane. CHI double bond CHI double bond CHI. This reaction takes place in presence of alcohol. Listen to me again. Iodine react with acetylene in presence of alcohol to form acetylene diiodide, or we can say 1, 2 diiodoethene double bond. So we can say ethene. Next point is reaction with HCl. So look here, reaction with HCl. Reaction with HCl. This is the reaction with HCl. Third point. So look here, acetylene react with, this is acetylene, and acetylene react with HCl. H attach here, Cl attach here, we get CH2 double bond CH Cl. Valency of carbon is 4, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is we get chloroethene. This is chloroethene. Chloroethene. And after this, chloroethene react with HCl. One Cl attach here, this Cl attach here, this H attach here, it becomes CH3, and this Cl attach here, it becomes CHCl2. It is called 1, 1 dichloroethane. 1, 1 dichloroethane. Next point is use. First important usage. Usage number 1. It is used for ripening fruits. It is used for ripening fruits, for the preparation of organic compound like acetaldehyde especially. So student, these are the important thing about acetylene. I hope that you can understand all the point regarding acetylene. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends.